What happens when Japanese tuning culture meets American muscle? Liberty Walk just answered that question, and the result is one of the wildest builds at SEMA 2025. This is the LB-WORKS Chevrolet Camaro, third generation IROC-Z, a full wide-body transformation that nobody saw coming. Wataru Kato and his team at Liberty Walk Japan have built their reputation reshaping the world's most exotic machines. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Nissan GTRs, with radical overfenders and aggressive slam stance. But this time they turned their vision toward Detroit iron, a classic F-body Camaro from the golden era of American performance. Harbor dock backdrop, dramatic industrial lighting, number 28 race livery, Tokyo street graphics in Japanese kanji running down the quarter panels. This machine blurs every line between two car cultures that were never supposed to meet, and it does it with absolute conviction. Let's break this build down from the front bumper to the rear diffuser. The third generation Camaro ran from 1982 to 1992 on GM's F-body platform, and the IROC-Z was its undisputed performance crown jewel. Named after the International Race of Champions, the IROC-Z was purpose-built to be the most aggressive street Camaro of its generation. Now Liberty Walk has taken that legacy and pushed it decades into the future with one of the most dramatic aftermarket body kits you will ever see. The kit is full FRP, fiber-reinforced plastic, precision engineered to bolt directly onto the third-gen body. Every single piece is serialized with its own certificate of authenticity because this is not a generic aftermarket kit. It is a genuine Liberty Walk signature build. The front bumper alone is $1,430. The side skirts run $1,540. Add the wide fenders, the rear wing at just over $1,000, and the rear diffuser at $803. And you are looking at a complete transformation priced at $7,546. An investment in one of the most recognized Japanese tuning names on the planet. Look at those wide fenders. Liberty Walk pulled the arches out to a degree that the original Camaro designers at GM could never have imagined. To fill that stance correctly, you need significantly wider wheels than stock. Liberty Walk specifically recommends sizing up to match the full fender extension. These matte black wheels on the official build are doing exactly that work, sitting flush beneath the stretched arches and completing the silhouette from every angle. The side skirts bridge the front and rear overfenders seamlessly, creating one unbroken, aggressive line along the rocker panel. This is where the Bosozoku and Kaido racer influence shows through. That Japanese philosophy of taking a car's visual width to its absolute maximum, eliminating any gap between tire and fender, and making every angle feel wider, lower, and more planted than physics should allow. The harbor dock backdrop in these official Liberty Walk EU photographs amplifies every bit of that drama. Industrial water, raw concrete, heavy steel. The perfect stage for a car with this much attitude. The number 28 race livery is not just a cosmetic choice. It tells a deeper story. Race graphics on a street-legal wide-body build are a direct nod to Liberty Walk's motorsport roots and the Japanese track culture that inspired the brand from day one. The Tokyo street text and kanji characters emblazoned across this Camaro represent something deeper than decoration. They mark this car as a cultural artifact, a Japanese interpretation of American muscle, exported back to the very stage where American performance cars were born. SEMA 2025 in Las Vegas was the world debut, and the reaction from the show floor said everything. Attendees who grew up with the third-gen Camaro stopped cold when they saw it. This is what happens when a builder with global supercar credentials decides to pay genuine respect to an American icon. The IROC-Z was already a statement car in the mid-1980s. Liberty Walk just turned that statement into a full manifesto for the modern era. Let's get into the show floor shots. The Mastermind North America presentation put this Camaro front and center under the full SEMA lighting, and the wide-body stance is even more commanding in person. These show floor photographs give you the real sense of scale, just how much wider this machine sits compared to a stock third gen. The front bumper redesign from Liberty Walk gives the nose a much more aggressive forward presence than the factory ever intended. Integrated splitter styling, sharper lower openings, and a visual line that reads lower and wider even before the fenders do their work. From directly in front, this Camaro looks like it wants to consume the road. Then you move to the side profile and realize the fenders are doing something extraordinary. The rubber actually tucks under those arches like it was designed this way from the factory. It was not. It took Liberty Walk engineering and Japanese precision to make it look this natural on a car that is now 4 decades old. The Instagram documentation from Liberty Walk Gifu Makihata brought us the closest detail shots of the body kit execution. These are the images where you truly appreciate the craftsmanship in the FRP fabrication. The panel gaps are impressively tight. The character lines are clean. The transitions between the kit components and the original bodywork are handled with a level of precision that matches what Liberty Walk delivers on their supercar builds. Notice how the rear wing integrates with the deck lid. It is not a bolt-on afterthought. It sits as though it was engineered alongside the body from day one. The rear diffuser below adds a functional lower lip element that visually anchors the entire rear end. Liberty Walk has executed this exact philosophy on the Lamborghini Huracan, the Ferrari 458, and the Nissan GTR. The craftsmanship language they bring to those 6-figure exotic machines is fully present here on this 40-year-old American muscle car. That is the entire point of what Wataru Kato built Liberty Walk to do: democratize the wide-body dream across every platform. The SLA media photography brought an entirely different visual language to this build. Artistic close-up work that treats the body kit like sculpture. Because that is exactly what it is. These tight frames on the fender lips, the character lines on the side skirts, the angles of the rear wing end plates. This is automotive photography done right. The FRP material catches light differently from steel, and the SLA media shots exploit that quality brilliantly. You can see the surface texture, the intentional lines, the way each panel transitions to the next. This kit, when properly finished and painted, transforms depending on the environment. On the harbor dock under natural light, it reads as pure aggression. Under SEMA show lighting, it becomes theater. In the artistic close-ups, it reveals craftsmanship. 3 completely different visual identities on one car. That is the mark of exceptional design work. Liberty Walk understood that the third-gen Camaro's long hood and fastback roofline were already architectural. They amplified what was already there and turned it into something the world had never seen before. We are back to the full reveal, and seeing these images a second time, every detail hits harder. The complete Liberty Walk LB-WORKS Chevrolet Camaro, 3rd Generation IROC-Z Widebody Kit. Available now through Liberty Walk Japan and Liberty Walk EU for $7,546. Full FRP construction, serialized components, certificate of authenticity on every piece. If you are building a 3rd gen and you want the most dramatic wide-body transformation from the most respected name in the global tuning game, this is your kit. Liberty Walk recommends pairing it with digital air management suspension for the ideal ride height and full fitment on your wider wheel setup. The result you see here, this harbor dock build with the number 28 livery and Tokyo Street graphics, is the living proof of concept. One of the most unexpected and most celebrated builds at SEMA 2025. Japanese tuning culture fused with American muscle heritage. One car, 2 worlds. This is the collision nobody predicted and everybody needed. If you enjoyed this build, smash that subscribe button.